told him he's headed in, so he might